altcoins that could literally make you millions in 2023 and beyond. Now guys, please know I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education personally. So let me show you what I'm talking about today. So here it is, guys. Investopedia.com is one of our favorite places to go for information. Now, what is Ethereum? How does it work? That's what we're talking about first. Ethereum. Okay, as its core, Ethereum is a decentralized global software platform powered by a blockchain technology. Now, it's most commonly known for its native cryptocurrency, Ether, ETH. Okay, it can be used by anyone to create any secured digital technology as a token designed to pay for work done supporting the blockchain. All right, but participations can also use it in paying for tangible goods and services if it is accepted. Now, you get more information in this blog, so please get in here and do your own research. But Ethereum can actually be designed to be scalable. It is designed to be scalable. It's programmable, secure, and decentralized. It's the blockchain of choice for developers and enterprises, creating technology based upon it and how to change the industry, the way it operates, and how to go about our daily lives. Okay, you can watch this video as well of the Ethereum founder Joe Lubin, who explains why it is and why it matters. Its native support smart contracts, an essential tool behind decentralized applications. You've probably seen NFTs all around the globe now. Okay, Ethereum was the driving factor for NFTs, one that really put it on the market with OpenSea. Okay, many decentralized finances and other applications use smart contracts in conjunction with blockchain technology. So if you want to learn more about Ethereum, get onto this article and actually dig yourself in. But number one that I'm bringing to you is Ethereum, probably my biggest buy of this year that's going to help me in 2023 get to where I want to be. Jumping over to number two then is BNB. BNB is one of the most impressive altcoins that came out of 2020. 2019, the last couple of years basically. So the coin initially ran on Ethereum blockchain, ERC20 standard, but has since become a native coin of Binance chain. It was launched during an initial coin offering, an ICO in July 2017. It's had a strict maximum of 200 million BNB tokens in total, offered 10% of 20 million, BNB tokens to angel investors 40%, or 80 million BNB tokens to the founding team, and the remaining 50% of 100 million to the various participations through the ICO process. Now, almost half of the funds raised during the ICO process were intended to be used for Binance branding and marketing, while around 1/3 were used to build Binance platform and perform necessary upgrades to the Binance ecosystem. Okay, BNB was initially based on Ethereum network, like we said, but it's now the native currency of Binance blockchain. I say that again because Binance have really vamped up. Okay, it's one of the biggest investments you can do is into BNB. BNB, they came and took over. I remember when I first got into BNB, okay, it was just after the ICO, and my God, did my portfolio grow. So in 2023, I do see BNB absolutely vamping as well as the number one, as Binance is the number one exchange in the world. Next up is Cardano. Okay, if you stay on Investopedia, you can actually start reading with that link down below. Cardano's POS system, staking determines a node capability to open blocks to the blockchain, and no stake is equal to the amount of ADA it holds over a long term. Now, a stake is an interest held by a pool participant secured with ADA that is pledged. All right, pledged ADA cannot be used to spend in the holder because it is held as a collateral for honest validation behavior. Users with pledged ADA are given rewards in the form of transaction fee. Okay, you can read here about how Cardano is different to Bitcoin, what is the best place to stake Cardano, all things like that. Where do I mine it? Okay, dig yourself in here. I love it because users join staking pools, groups of ADA holders that have pledged their coins and work together to update the ledger, opening new blocks and earning new rewards, right? Cardano's a super big investment that you can get into. It's going to be great for 2023 in my opinion, so get in there right now. Now, last but not least, XRP is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. What is XRP and what's it have to do with Ripple? Get into cointelegraph.com, that link down below, and find out yourself. It's a cryptocurrency token designed to migrate transactions from central databases controlled by the financial institutions to a more open infrastructure. Okay, while significantly cutting costs, XRP transactions are trustless, instant, cheap, and putting them at an advantage to cross-border movements. Launched in 2012, the cryptocurrency has one of the most ambitious goals in the space. All right, the software enabling the user of XRP, the XRP ledger, proposed a new way of operating blockchains that participants claim is more suitable for transactions. Okay, this means the Bitcoin blockchain allows anyone to contribute computing power, validate transactions, and secure its software. The XRP ledger, on the other hand, only allows select network participants to help validate transactions and secure that network. There are over 150 of these participants in the network and collectively known as the unique node list. Super exciting, guys. That's all I've got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like, hit the subscribe, hit that bell if you want to be notified next time I'm on here, and have a very, very blessed day.